Cool. Hi, everyone. This is Jason, the founder and CEO of DeFiner, a decentralized finance innovator. I still remember like many years ago when I graduated from the college and earned my first paycheck, super exciting like any other millennials. But however, soon I realized there's a problem. All of my savings sit in my bank account and earn zero interest. Then I realized this is not only my problem, not only my generation's problem. It's problem for everybody, for business, for consumer, for everybody. Why? Even we have a centralized organization lower the interest rate. However, the small medium-sized business, they still hardly to get the capital. And even they can get capital, also get high cost because there's a centralized financial intermediaries earns trillions of dollars away from people. Even people like us and business owners have so much cash on their savings account earn zero interest. Luckily enough, many years ago, 3 years ago, when I get to know blockchain technology, also I was starting my CFA. This is the aha moment. That is the birth of DeFiner, a true peer-to-peer network for digital savings, loans, and payment. Within our solutions, people can manage their digital asset through our digital wallet, get their savings very deposited and withdraw very easily, and earn interest, definitely not zero. Also get a loan very easily, can pay each other very smoothly. The most important thing, everyone will connect with each other without financial intermediaries. We understand we dream big, but we need to start steady, step by step. We have made it available through all kinds of devices. Through our solutions, lenders provide capital directly to the borrowers, and borrowers get the capital, generate profit, and return back the interest to the community. And we return 90% of all the interest back to the lenders. We only keep 10%. Why we are better? In these ways, we lower down the financial transaction cost, automate the whole process, and the borrowers will get a much cheaper loan instantly. Lenders will get a higher return with low risk. Also, the community will grow together. The digital asset marketing grows rapidly. Within last year alone, the market size grows 10 times, and it keeps growing. Also, since the start of the company in February 2018 in Minneapolis, we have been mentioned through all big media like Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance. Also, we are named one of 8 companies, fintech, to startup to watch out by Fintech magazine this year. Also, we are backed by the best investors, NextQ, TechStart, and Blockchain Founders Fund. We cannot make this happen without our awesome team, from young women leadership to technology leaders, from people in the corporate to the Federal Reserves. This is DeFiner, decentralized finance innovator, to define the future of open finance. And I welcome you everyone to join us now to build this journey together. Or I'm sure you will join later in the future to use our solutions or similar solutions. Thank you. And we are raising, start from July, and raising 2 million safe. Thank you.
Thanks, Jason. Just the right time.
Jason, this is Jordan. Can you tell me in 4 sentences what you do?
We provide a network to facilitate lending and borrowing transactions. Basically, small medium-sized business can get a loan from us, and consumers can deposit their savings to the network, which is a non-custodian financial network, and earn interest.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Could you talk a little about your traction to date? So you've launched, you've been in the market now for about a year?
We launched our last version peer-to-peer platform, and we processed around $1 million loans, and we are going to launch our second release next month. That's why we will plan to raise after next month's release. We have secured a strategic partnership, and soon this year we can boost our capital under management around 2 to 3 millions, and we will be around top 20 for this whole industry.
Do you have any assets under management right now? I didn't quite understand.
Yes, we have right now for our peer-to-peer loan, we have $1 million US dollar loans going through our platform right now. For the savings account, it's been through the testing, and we have around 50,000 assets under management right now.
Okay, thank you. And then can you talk a little bit on your go-to-market, like how you plan to acquire the two sides, the borrowers and the lenders?
Yeah, we have built the strategic partners within this blockchain industry, and we will go with the business customers first, like a blockchain mining company, blockchain capital company, a blockchain exchange. Those people are who already holding the digital asset and the US dollar loans, and they will be our major source to accumulate the savings and US dollars. And from another side, you know, there's like a blockchain startup, blockchain even the mining companies, and they will borrow money from us. So our strategy is to build our partnership and relationships and with the business, then go together with the business to promote to the consumers, because each business has their own consumer base.
Hey, hi, this is Neil. How do you establish the factor of trust? Because it's an open network.
Yeah.
And apart from the blockchain, which is an open ledger.
Yeah, so all the savings capital will be secured through the smart contract, which is held on the blockchain. And that's also our key competitiveness, because not many people have the technology team to build a very super secure contract lending and borrowing activities. And through the smart contract, they only execute based on the pre-built logic. So basically, if you default, and your collateral will be liquidated on the market to return back to the lenders. And all these rules built in the smart contract on the blockchain.
Jason, you didn't speak to the question. How do you get the consumer to trust you?
So for the consumers, our current customers, they understand the blockchain business, so they trust the code we build, and it's open source and it's audited, and we also have the insurance. So in this way, and they will trust the platform itself.
I think you talked about the implementation of the trust, but the question here is, when I'm lending someone money or I'm borrowing money from someone, it's always easy to borrow the money, but how do I know that my money is going to come back?
It's all collateralized loan. So if someone default, their collateral will be sold on the market and return that to you. Right now, it's all collateralized loan. It's all over collateralized loan.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Tanza.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
And,
you, Jason.
Right, thank you.
Thanks.